growing up, I've always heard stories about 101st, their battles and their victories in World War II. Just being part such a long lineage of history means the world to me, sir.
Keeping the birds up, keeping them armed and able to do their tasks means that ground forces and those who need our support can go home at the end of the day, and that's really what gives us purpose here. We find ourselves talking about that in the shop all the time, how we can make sure that others can make it home okay, and that's what keeps us going.
I believe my favorite part is teaching them what I know. They are the future of our Army, so telling them and teaching them exactly what they need to know, what to learn, etc., and watch them grow as soldiers is really rewarding for me.
I mean, it's awesome. It's awesome. I look around and all I see is people that I'm proud to be standing next to. So it's pretty cool. It's like working with superheroes.